How you do, Motismo Eugene? Another video from Exit Strategy. Welcome. Just out on the scooter today, which I often do. Very therapeutic. I've had this scooter about 2 years. It is nothing like getting out on the trail and enjoying nature. Even if you don't have a scooter, if you're walking, just I don't have my mic today. I'm hoping this volume comes in well. I'm gonna use my big mouth as best I can. The title of this video is going to be thank God for the two hands. You got two hands, good working hands, thank God for little things like that. One working mind and two good hands. Title of this video is going to be the narcissist is not into you, but they are into what's in you. They're not into you, but they're into what's in you. You know, your vibration, your essence, your authenticity, your light, your charisma, your beauty. You do things in a way where it perplexes the narcissist. It intrigues them, but they're confused. They don't know how you got that way. They really don't. Because you have to understand, they deserted themselves long ago. When they deserted the true self during the developmental periods of their life, which is when they were a child, they matured into what they are. They matured into immaturity. They matured into the mastery of illusion. Fake it till you make it. Manipulation, lies, deceit, conning, and just all of those type of atrocious things there that they don't resemble the things I just pointed out that you as an empath or a chosen one possess. And so you being that empath with all of those qualities, the empath is a commodity of sorts to the narcissist. You are like that good fruit. You're that fruit that they've been looking for, that they didn't know that they were in search of. Because they stumble upon you or someone like you throughout life. And they see that that is something that is very alluring. Alluring is the word. You draw people to you. And on their own merit, they don't believe they have anything significant to draw people to them. So what do? They draw to you. And in hopes that if they can draw closer to you, to be associated with you will help them measure up and get the attraction or the attention that they need. And so they pretty much ride the back of you, or the back of the empath and the chosen one, during the whole process of the relationship or the relationship. They ride your back or your coattail. And you're their seeing eye dog, as I've said many times before. You help them, guide them through life to see their way through the treacherous path that they have niched out for themselves. They made this bed and they have to lay in it, but they need company, as misery always does. They have a miserable existence from the time they wake up in the morning. They don't know where they're going. or which way to go. And what they have to do is they have to gain whatever sense of life and happiness or peace or anything looks like it, or solitude. They have to gain that from outside of themselves. When they wake up, they can't see peace as just waking up, being grateful, and having gratitude. When their eyes open, their very first thought is, where can I go and who can I go with in order to get what it is I need, which is the soothing adulation, admiration, attention, and all the other things that narcissists are wired to want. They want these things, but they don't do what authenticity does to get them. I've said it 5 different ways, I believe, maybe more. They essentially need you like a flower needs water. Without you, they're hopeless. With you, they're hopeless. But with you, they're hoping that they can get over the hump. Nothing suffices. It's from one thing to the next. It's a miserable existence. It has to be. Just like sitting here enjoying this water. An empath can sit here and watch this, and not only just watch it, but enjoy just the serene noise that it's making, the relaxing noise that it's making. Funny fact though, the narcissist that I married, I've told you this before, I would go down to the laundry room and she would be sitting there watching the front load washing machine go round and round and round. Now, that's a different type of thing there. And I found out that is what soothed her. Because in their mindset, that's exactly, that replicates their life. Their life is going in a round and around and around circle. That is something, that's an interesting thing. So when we talk about they're on a loop, they're literally on a loop. And when she was sitting there watching that washing machine go round and round, I asked her, what are you doing? She said, I'm just sitting here waiting for the laundry to get done. I say, it's on 45 minutes. You're going to sit there the whole time? She said, I just like watching it go around and around. They tell you who they are, but before we are awakened, we just don't know. They're telling us exactly who they are. But going forward, now we're awakened. As the adage goes, when a person tells you who they are, believe them. I think Maya Angelou said that, and Oprah Winfrey stole it, such as a narcissist will. You know, we take quotes from a lot of people, but a narcissist will repeat a quote as though it's their own. They're not original when it comes to nothing. Empaths, we are creators. Because of the creator who created us, he causes us to be creative. We are an offspring of the creator. We are a representation of him. And the narcissist is a vivid representation of evil and darkness and satanic things. We're living in good and evil times. There's no middle. Pick a side before that side picks you. So in closing, the narcissist is not into you. The narcissist is into what's inside of you. That being said, BLEZZ.